Hello dear children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we are going to start a new chapter of geography which is about agriculture. So let's start the chapter with the meaning of agriculture. The word agriculture it is derived from two Latin words ager or agri which means soil and culture which means cultivation. Thus, the science and art of cultivation on soil, raising crops and rearing livestock, it is called farming or agriculture. There are three types of economic activities. These are primary, secondary and tertiary activities. All these economic activities are helpful in transforming the natural resources into finished products. Agricultural activities are also called primary economic activities. They include all those activities connected with the extraction and production of the natural resources. Agriculture, it plays a very significant role in our life. For cultivation of crops, one has to select soil, work on it, plough the land, sow the seeds, provide water to the fields as irrigation. All of these agricultural activities require a permanent staying at one place. In this way, agriculture helped early human beings to lead a settled life, which is also known as sedentary lifestyle. So, now the question arises, what are the factors affecting agriculture? Is this the place or the machinery or the labor or the climate? So let's discuss over the factors affecting agricultural production or agriculture. So these are basically divided into two factors, natural or economic factors or man-made factors. Natural factors are climate, topography, soil, and the economic factors are machine, fertilizers, labor, market, etc. Let's discuss over them in detail. Starting with climate, adequate temperature, rainfall, hot and humid climate are quite suitable for the farming activities. Second one, relief. So the lowlands or the plains, they are more suitable for farming as compared to mountains. Soil. Fertility is important for growing crops. Good quality soil, it means more inputs. However, poor soil, it means less input. Water. So availability of water is essential for the growth of plants. For example, areas having adequate facilities of irrigation provide food crop productions as compared to those who lack in irrigation facilities. Next one is about the machinery, which is a man-made factor. So use of machines and modern equipments play a very significant role in the farming activities. They save a lot of time of farmers. So machinery, that is modern machinery, is mandatory for agriculture. Fertilizers. Both the chemical and the biofertilizers are required to get more production in the farming sector. Labor. A number of agricultural activities require labor force. Labor requires for plucking cotton balls, tea leaves, etc. Market and transport. Transport facilities are required for the movement of agricultural products from agricultural fields to markets. Market is essential to sell the surplus production by the farmers. So this was all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.